Hello and welcome to MVA. Take a big breath in. Try and focus on what you can feel going on inside your chest when you do. Without knowing the anatomy of that area, it can be difficult to work out what's actually going on in there. It seems to tighten in some areas but relax in others. The system that we have inside our bodies responsible for breathing in and out is called our respiratory or gas exchange system. It's made up out of several key parts. The trachea, also known as the windpipe, is the tube that runs from our mouth, down our throat and towards our lungs. It's lined with rings of cartilage which keep it open at all times so we can breathe. The trachea splits into a left and right bronchus, each leading to a lung. Bronchi are also tubes for air to pass through, but are often slightly smaller than the trachea. The bronchi split into even smaller tubes called bronchioles, which take air deep into the lungs. At the end of each bronchiole, we have a tiny air sac called the alveoli. Here, oxygen moves into the blood and carbon dioxide moves out. This doesn't happen on its own though. Muscles below and around the lungs are also responsible for drawing air in and pushing it out. Some of these muscles run between the ribs and form the chest wall. They are called intercostal muscles and they contract and relax when we breathe. When we take that deep breath in and you can feel your chest muscles tightening, that's your intercostal muscles. Another important muscle is the diaphragm. It's a dome-shaped flat sheet of muscle under the lungs. When we breathe in, it relaxes but contracts when we breathe out. This helps to push the air back out of our lungs. The main aim here is to get oxygen into the bloodstream, and it's this team of tubes and muscles that are responsible for that with every breath we take. When the air we breathe in passes down the trachea, through the bronchi and the bronchioles and into the alveoli, it can then be moved into the blood to be transported around the body to the muscles that need it. Alveolar sacs have very thin walls that make the transfer of oxygen into the blood and carbon dioxide out of it very efficient. This, coupled with the fact that we have hundreds of millions of them in our lungs, all surrounded by blood vessels, means that the respiratory system is a pretty powerful oxygen-sucking machine. I'm Jack with MVA, thanks for watching.